Good morning, you guys. I'm back today with another vlog.
Skinny girls weak, the models don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like two pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. All I do.
So what's up, y'all? I'm downtown New Orleans right now. It's like noisy, my bad. But y'all, it's day 3. We're just running around doing what we do. Y'all, look at how cute my shirt is. I got this from Boohoo. Ooh, I got a little bit of makeup on it. I got this shirt from Boohoo. It says brains, beauty, and booty. Okay? Is that not your girl? Alright, so it's noisy here. I just want to start this video out because, y'all, I have to start doing some more vlogging, alright? Look at that. I wasn't even... y'all. I gotta vlog some more. It's been crazy. I've been lit. My sister has been having me lit, y'all. So, it's day 3. Whatever we do, I'll be bringing you guys along with us. So, Lego. Oh, Papa Sota?
What's poppin', y'all? It's your boy Jake. Holla at me.
Oh my gosh. It's warming up. Guess what we doing, Ashley?
Taking a picture next to the tree.
That's a video camera. I'm trying to see what's going on.
Taking pictures next to the tree.
trying to see what he said.
You know what I say is true.
Okay, Michelle. Yeah. No, we don't do that. Oh, all this is parking today. It's Saturday.
Make me some cookies.
How much money you got on? I mean, we can go to Aunt Sally's. Cafe Du Monde. Look at Look who I found. I found some people here.
I'm about to say, like before over there, Landry, where we were at, used to be a nightclub.
Are you excited, Mama?
Yeah, but this is so hot. It just
Well,
burned
it's
my
hot
tongue.
chocolate, boo. You gotta let it cool off. You excited for the beignets?
Yes.
It's coming. What are you trying to get, the yellow coat?
I want the 10 one.
The cop wasn't even worried about me.
I know.
So yeah, this is the kids' first time having beignets. Bella has been wanting this ever since watching Princess and the Frog. You like it, Mama? Oh, look at that face. Oh, Lily, what do you think? This is from Princess and the Frog. This is what Tiana made. You like it?
Look at what Tiana said.
Did you try it, Michelina?
Hell no, I'm freezing. Tiana served them because she was a waitress at Duke.
Uh-huh. You like them?
So
I
much.
got one too. These are so hot. Can you see the steam? They're freaking smoking.
It does taste like mini funnel cake.
Mm-hmm. I tell you, it tastes like a zeppelin mixed with a. For me, beignets tastes exactly like a zeppelin mixed with.
Oh, come on.
Well, I'm sorry. A zeppelin mixed with a cruller donut in the inside.
Sugar. Come powder.
$10. I bought a whole roll of $5 for the performance, but only seemed like 3. I didn't bring it to keep it. I gave it to the one to give away. Okay, y'all, now I'm at Willie's, about to go try it. They're supposed to be super famous with the best chicken in New Orleans. Let's go try it.
Yeah, they got one in DC.
Gucci purse. Mine. Kelly, a person that raised you?
Yes, she is actually. Remember, that's my sister. I think she be forgetting that. Like she think I'm just. She thinks I'm just like her aunt. Oh wow, that's mad chicken.
That's a 4-piece.
That's the 4-piece?
That's a 4-piece.
So this chicken's supposed to be the best chicken in New Orleans. Real New Orleans food. Chicken's so good, you'll slap your mama. Hey, let's try it.
Oh my god.
Oh, they got fries down there.
Good.
Is it good, baby?
It's hot.
Spicy hot or temperature hot?
Hot.
Temperature? I got mad chicken here. Oh. It's hot, baby. It's so crispy. You guys, this is called the Willy sauce. It's good. It's spicy. It's like a spicy remoulade. Ooh, it's good. It's a little spicy, y'all. That look good. That's a crispy piece too, Papa. This is supposed to be the best chicken in New Orleans. God protect me and keep me. Hi. Look at these, Michelle. They got bags of beef for $4. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Yeah, look what my niece just tried to pick up. Sorry.
I didn't see it with my own eyes. I wanted
Look what the first thing she go for.
What did I do?
Nothing, baby. You didn't do nothing.
Don't slip up or get caught.
Why not, man?
I'm coming for that number.